Serpo's still alive. Or if he died in that helicopter.
Nah, this isn't over yet. If Serpo's still alive, we might be able to use him as a bargaining chip. Get the military to send in another chopper.
Let's get moving.
When
I've had
Serpo
enough
goes,
of this place.
I had so many good friends here. When I arrived, they were so welcoming, so warm.
Hey, come here.
I have made so many mistakes.
I had so many good friends here. When I arrived, they were so welcoming, so warm.
I left some things in her life.
Such a fool.
Hey, come here.
Christ on the cross, this
Such
was a
good
bad idea.
people.
And now what?
I can't believe
that
so
chopper
many
was our
are
only
gone.
hope.
Fucking Serpo, once I get my hands on him.
Yeah, it's worth a try. I can always try and patch up the chopper. Hell, maybe Serpo knows another way off the island. Maybe we should follow that chopper.
I'll do what I can.
I think it crashed somewhere near the old fort. Just follow the smoke. How's the chopper? Is it operational?
Huh, for a second there, I thought we were... Nah, this isn't over yet. If Serpo's still alive, we might...